with big time flavor. So guys, the first step is put your smoker oven to the 375.
So the first ingredient is 3 pounds of your favorite wild game burger.
So we're gonna use 2 pounds of deer, 1 pound of bear sausage, 1 cup of grated Parmesan, 2/3 cups breadcrumbs, 2 teaspoons of salt, 2 teaspoons of pepper, 2/3 cup of milk, 1 teaspoon oregano, 2 tablespoons of parsley,
And 2 large eggs. First, put all your meat in a big bowl. Then we add all the ingredients to the meat.
Then we're gonna mix everything with our bare hands. The meat's mixed in, then you make your meatloaf into a big loaf.
Now we're gonna wrap the whole thing in Caul Fat from a deer.
Now that we got it all wrapped good and tight,
Now it's time to put it on the smoker. After done cooking it for an hour and a half, we finally reached to 165 degrees. Let's cut her open.
nice juicy run on here.
Well, there you go, folks. Pretty good. Pretty good texture. Tastes like bear meat with a little bit of another flavor and a little crunch. Pretty good. Hope you like this recipe. Don't throw away that Caul Fat. Don't forget to like and subscribe.